Alright, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the side view mirrors inside of your car. Now you need to adjust the side view mirrors so that you can see cars on the side of you to avoid possible accidents and just so you have a sense of awareness of what's on the side and behind of you. But before we get started, if you find this video helpful, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Alright, so let's go and get started. So in my vehicle, I have a side view mirror on the left side, and I also have a side view mirror on the right side. Alright, so in order to adjust them, somebody might get in the vehicle, might be a little bit tall, a little bit shorter. You're gonna have to adjust it for the particular driver, or perhaps anyone who is sitting in the driver's side of the vehicle. So what you're going to do is you are typically going to see the controls on the side door. Okay, on the door you see the controls right here. That's a side view mirror, and if you look closely, I'm going to show you really quickly. If you look down here, it shows right here a little knob. Okay, let me roll the windows back up. There is a knob, and this knob says L and R. And the L and R represent left and right. So in this case, if I want to adjust the left side view mirror, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to twist this knob to right there. Okay, so once I have this right here twisted to the L, I'm going to adjust it. It's like a joystick. I can go right, left, up, down. You see that? I'm going to do it again. Right, left, up, down. You see I'm able to control it by using this right here. All right, so now that I have that, I get the side view mirror adjusted to the proper location for the left side, or the driver's side of my vehicle. I can go ahead and put it back to the center. And the center, once you have the center, you cannot adjust the side view mirror once this is in the center. Okay, now if I want to adjust the right side view mirror, I'm just going to twist this, turn this, so it's for the right. And then again, I'm going to do the right, down, left, up. You see how I do that? So I put it in the direction I want the side view mirror to go. You see right here, I'm going to show you right here in the side view mirror, going up, right, down, down, left, just like that. You see that? And when I'm done, all set with that, I'm just going to go ahead and put it back to the center so it cannot be adjusted while it's in this position right here. And that is how you adjust a side view mirror in a car. Now note, different cars may have different mechanisms on how to adjust the side view mirror, so it's important to read your owner's manual so you know how to adjust the side view mirror in your particular car. All right, but pretty much they're all pretty similar, and that is how you adjust the side view mirrors inside of a car. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.